We have 7 fundamental quantities and SI units, namely length in meter, mass in kilogram, time in second, temperature in Kelvin, amount of substance in mole, electric current in ampere, and luminous intensity in candela. In addition, we have also what we call the derived quantities, which are formed by the combination of 2 or more fundamental quantities by multiplication and division. Examples of derived quantities: area is equal to length times width, or volume, which with the formula length times width times height, or speed, when distance is divided by time, and density is when mass is divided by volume. Let us now proceed to the conversion of units of derived quantities, starting with problem number 1. Convert 2 square kilometer to hectare, wherein the following unit equivalents should be used. 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters, and 1 hectare is equivalent to 10,000 square meters. To solve the problem, we will start with the unknown, or the desired unit, which is hectare. Equate it to what is given: 2 square kilometer multiplied by the conversion factor, kilometer and meter, wherein the relationship is for every kilometer there are 1,000 meters. Since our given unit is squared, so we are also going to square the whole conversion factor, square. So this will be 1,000 squared, meter squared, kilometer squared. So the kilometer will be cancelled. Okay, times, we'll continue. This time, meter squared should be at the bottom, and the hectare should be on top, wherein the relationship is for 1 hectare is equivalent to 10,000 square meters. Okay, so we'll cancel the meter. The remaining unit is hectare, which is the desired unit. So that means we are done. So write the equal symbol here. We will now perform the indicated operations. 2 times 1,000 squared times 1 divided by 1 divided by 10,000. Equate. So, with the help of your calculator, I want you to do it with me. So, please enter 2 and then press the multiplication button and then enter 1,000 and then press the x squared divided by 10,000. Then what is your answer? Okay, so you should be having 200 hectares. Let us now solve problem number 2. convert 1,000 liters to cubic meters, wherein the unit equivalents that we will use will be the following. 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliters. 1 milliliter is equivalent to 1 cubic centimeter, and 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. To solve the problem, we'll start with the desired unit, which is cubic meter, equate to what is given, which is 1,000 liters, times the conversion factor, the liter of which will be at the bottom, and milliliters on top, wherein the relationship is there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So cancel the liter. Continue. The conversion factor will be milliliter at the bottom and cubic centimeter at the top. So the ratio is 1:1. Cancel milliliter. We'll continue with another conversion factor. This time, centimeter will be at the denominator and meter at the numerator. The relationship of which is, for every meter, there are 100 centimeters. Okay, so this is raised to the third power. So, we're also going to raise the conversion factor to the third power. So, this will become 1 cube, meter cube, 100 cube, centimeter cube. Okay, so cancel. Okay, so what will remain will be the cubic meters, which is the desired unit. So we will write the equal symbol here. Next is perform the indicated operations. 1,000 times 1,000 times 1 times 1 cube all over 1 times 1 and times 100 raised to the third power is equal to, using your calculator, you will get the answer of 1 cubic meter. Let's try problem number 3. Convert 100 kilometer per hour to meter per second. The unit equivalents that will be used are 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters, 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. To solve the problem, start with the desired unit, which is meter per second. Equate to what is given, which is 100 kilometer per hour. So, I want to change kilometer first. So, the conversion factor should be kilometer at the bottom and meter on top, wherein the relationship is for every kilometer there are 1,000 meters. Cancel the kilometer. Okay, so the desired unit is meter. and meter. So I'm done. So I'll proceed to the time, R. So the R will be on top and minutes at the bottom. The relationship of which is, for every hour, there are 60 minutes. So cancel R. We'll proceed. Change minute to second. So minute will be at the top and second at the bottom, wherein the relationship is, for every minute there are 60 seconds. So cancel minute. So the remaining units will be meter per second, which is the desired unit. So we'll write the equal symbol here. Next is, we are going to perform the indicated operations. 100 times 1000 times 1 times 1 all over 1 times 60 times 60. Okay, so using your calculator, you should get the answer of 27.8 meter per second. Let us now proceed to problem number 4. Convert 1 gram per milliliter to kilogram per cubic meter. The unit equivalents that will be used are 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 grams, 1 milliliter is equivalent to 1 cubic centimeter, and 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. To solve the problem, start with the desired unit, which is kilogram per cubic meter. Equate to what is given, 1 gram per milliliter. Okay, I want to change gram first. So, gram will be at the bottom and change it to kilogram on top. The relationship is 1 kilogram contains 1000 grams. Cancel the gram here. We'll proceed to the next conversion factor. This time, milliliter will be on top, and then change it to cubic centimeter at the bottom. So the ratio is 1:1. Cancel meter, milliliter. Times another conversion factor. This time, centimeter on top, and then change it to meter. The relationship of which is, for every meter, it has 100 centimeter. This is cubic centimeter. So, we should raise the conversion factor to the third power also. So, this will become 100 raised to the third power, cm raised to the third power, and this one to the third power. So, this will cancel. So, the remaining unit will be kilogram per meter cube. So that means we are done. So write the equal symbol here. Next is we will perform the indicated operations. So this will be 1 times 1 times 1 times 100 raised to the third power This will be 1,000 times 1 times 1 raised to the third power is equal to, again with the help of your calculator, your answer should be 1,000 kilogram per meter cube. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe now.